Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is very high paying. It's from a well-known company, and it requires no degree whatsoever. We will just dive on in. Just know if you're interested in applying. The links to both the application page and the company's Glassdoor page are linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Mozilla. Now, if you've ever heard of the Firefox computer web browser, that is made by Mozilla, and they are hiring an administrative assistant. Now, this is remote within the United States, and of course, pay is always going to be dependent on your location and experience, but they have their locations set out in Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. The lowest pays anywhere from $76,000 a year to $111,000 a year, and the highest tier pays $89,000 a year up to $131,000 a year. So this position pays anywhere technically from $76,000 to $131,000 a year, and again, it is a non-phone administrative type position. But they are looking for someone to handle all the administrative work, such as managing calendars and appointments, coordinating activities between teams and departments, making travel arrangements, and different things like that. You'll manage multiple dynamic senior leadership calendars with the ability to anticipate issues and make sure their meetings are coordinated. You'll schedule and maintain the meetings, travel itineraries, and related arrangements for those executive leaders. You'll handle the distribution list and organizational charts. Of course, you'll be coordinating business travel and tracking expenses for those executives. You'll craft and distribute the reports upon request. And then you'll also, as requested, prepare different communication documents such as emails, reports, presentations, agendas, and meeting minutes. Now, if you are a very organized person that can keep somebody's emails, calendar, and schedule straight, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They are looking for somebody who has 4 to 6 years of relevant experience, providing some kind of administrative support, someone who can demonstrate the ability to set and manage expectations. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. They want somebody who's receptive to learning and being adaptable to change, and someone who will be committed to confidentiality and be discreet. Now, if you've worked with Gmail, Google Calendar, those kinds of things on your personal level, they are looking for somebody who has the ability to work extensively on Google applications. So the Google applications and calendars are what they are going to use to keep the executive schedules organized. And they want somebody who will take initiative and creatively solve problems. Now, just in case you are not familiar with the company Mozilla, I do have their Glassdoor page linked down below if you want to do your own research, but they do have a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.